Apply for an appointment to a state board or commission. The governor and lieutenant governor are seeking qualified and diverse individuals who are passionate about using their knowledge, skills, and lived experience to serve the state of Minnesota. State boards and commissions do important work that includes protecting the public, licensing and regulating professions, and advising policymakers. With over 100 boards and commissions covering topics from architecture to the zoos, there are hundreds of opportunities annually. A list of boards and commissions, including open positions, can be found on the Minnesota Secretary of State's website. Below are examples of boards that are seeking applicants. Minnesota's Rare Disease Advisory Council. This council provides advice on policies, access, equity, research, diagnosis, treatment, and education relating to rare diseases to health providers, state agencies, and the Drug Utilization Review Board. The Drug Formulary Committee. The Advisory Committee on Heritable and Congenital Disorders, and legislative bodies at the state and federal level. To learn more or to apply, please visit the Minnesota Secretary of State's website. Minnesota Foundation of Student Organizations. The Minnesota Foundation for Student Organization provides oversight and guidance to co-curricular career and technical student organizations. It promotes and supports leadership opportunities and outreach programs in career and technical education programs through the student organizations. To learn more or to apply, please visit the Minnesota Secretary of State website. Minnesota's Board of Social Work. BOSW members serve a critical role in carrying out the board's mission to protect the public by regulating the practice of social work. The board ensures that all persons licensed as social workers meet a minimum set of standards and are qualified, professional, ethical, and accountable. To learn more, head over to the BOSW website. To submit an application, apply at the Secretary of State website. Ombudsman volunteers are needed for long-term care. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, Minnesota's Office of Ombudsman for Long-Term Care had 33 certified ombudsman volunteers statewide. Fast forwarding to the fall of 2022, there are only 14 volunteer ombudsmen serving nearly 2,500 nursing care and assisted living facilities across Minnesota. And the ombudsman is seeking new volunteers across Minnesota. The volunteers are assigned to regional ombudsman staff to ensure the health, safety, and rights of long-term care consumers. Volunteers will need to complete an orientation training to become designated certified ombudsman volunteers. For more information, visit this website. Free training for a new career, becoming a nursing assistant. People in Minnesota are invited to enroll in a free program today and get started on their nursing assistant certification. With additional funding secured for the Next Generation Nursing Assistant Initiative, any interested Minnesotan can receive training, books, uniforms, and take their certification exam at no cost to them. Reliable transportation and technology can also be covered. New class sections will be added through February of 2023. Please note that the webpage will be updated regularly as classes become available. Lastly, there are just a few days to go before the November 8th general election. If you don't already know whether you are registered to vote, you can check your registration status and polling place at the Secretary of State's website. People who are not yet registered to vote can still register at their polling place. More information about registering to vote on Election Day is available here. The Secretary of State's website has useful information for all voters, including information about what is on the ballot where they live.